Unlocking the power of long-tail keywords for SEO success. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we help you enhance your English language skills and dive deep into topics that can make a big difference in your learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept that's crucial for anyone interested in digital marketing, especially in the context of SEO, search engine optimization. We're talking about long-tail keywords. Understanding these can not only improve your English vocabulary but also equip you with knowledge that's highly valuable in the online world. Let's get started. At its core, the term long-tail keywords refers to longer, more specific keyword phrases that visitors are more likely to use when they're closer to a point of purchase or when they're using voice search. Unlike generic keywords, which are often just 1 or 2 words long, long-tail keywords are usually 3 to 5 words, or more, in length. The beauty of long-tail keywords lies in their specificity. For example, instead of searching for shoes, a long-tail search might be women's running shoes for flat feet. These keywords are less competitive but highly targeted, meaning they have the power to draw in an audience that's closer to making a decision. You might be wondering, why focus on long-tail keywords when they attract fewer searches than more general keywords? The answer is twofold: relevance and conversion. First, long-tail keywords are more specific, making it easier to meet the exact needs of searchers. This increases the relevance of your content to their queries. Second, because these searchers are often looking for something very specific, they are more likely to convert into leads or sales. In essence, long-tail keywords help you attract not just any traffic, but the right kind of traffic. Now that we understand what long-tail keywords are and why they're important, let's talk about how to use them effectively. Here are a few tips. Research to find the best long-tail keywords for your content. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can help. Create content that naturally incorporates these keywords. Remember, quality content that genuinely helps the reader is paramount. Optimize your website for these keywords, including in titles, headers, and meta descriptions. Monitor your performance and adjust your strategy as needed. SEO is an ongoing process. Long-tail keywords are a powerful tool in the world of SEO, offering a way to connect with a more targeted audience and improve your site's relevance and conversion rates. By understanding and implementing long-tail keywords in your content strategy, you're not only expanding your English vocabulary but also gaining valuable digital marketing skills. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of long-tail keywords and how you can leverage them for success. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.